We're going to use cap popper tool system to open a Schlage F-series lever and a Schlage Deadbolt that's keyed the same. I like to use dielectric grease because it's kind of sticky. It's going to help hold our pins in place so we can decode it. I'm going to insert the guide key and I'm going to make sure it's all the way in. And I'm going to insert the wire tool underneath the first pin. The guide key will guide it. I use a hammer, pop the cap off, remove the guide key, reinsert the wire tool. Make sure you do this every time, especially on the levers, and then twist the tool while it's in. Make sure you have the cap completely off. Now I'm using the J-pick and I still feel spring tension on the number 5 pin, which means the cap is not completely off. So I'm going to reinsert the wire tool and make sure the cap's completely off, otherwise we won't be able to open it. Okay, then I'm going to insert the pin lifter, and then we're going to rotate it, unlock it. Now we're going to remove the lever, and as you can see, the top 4 pins are still in the shell. The other pins, everything is in the lever, and it's all stuck in there because of the dielectric grease. And there's the number 1 pin. We're going to decode it first. It's a 270, and 270 is a 7. I wrote down a chart on a piece of paper if you don't know by heart. The number 2 pin is a 240, which is a 5. The grease hose them in there. The number 3 pin is a 254, so it's got to be 255, which is 6. Hardest thing is getting the pins up. Number 3 pin, number 4 pin is another 240, 5. The number 5 pin is a 270, which is a 7. I'm going to take the pack-a-punch, put it on 1. Our first cut is a 7, 5, 6, 5, 7. Deadbolt's unlocked, so now we have entry and we can just reassemble the lever. Thank you for watching.